Hey guys, this is Sakib. Welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we will show you how you can customize the Wisdom Gallery widget presented by the Pixel Gallery add-on for Elementor. Let's drag and drop the widget inside the editor page. Wisdom Gallery appears as a standing banner for images showing published dates, titles, a short description text, image, and social share buttons. With that, there's a visible hover effect on the images to make the gallery more interactive and fun for your visitors. Now, let's see the widget's customizations. As always, the first option lets you select the number of grid template columns for the grid content area of the widget. Below are scroll bars that you can use to adjust the row gap and column gap between the items. There's also an height scroll bar and masonry switchers available. A little further, you will see 4 switchers that can show or hide the gallery titles, text, dates, and social links. For instance, turn off the social link switcher and see the links disappearing from the grid. Turning it back on, you can customize the size of images using the option here. Then click on the link option and select media file to enable the linking function to the gallery items. For the link target, you can either choose the whole item or just a button. You'll see the button when you hover over the image. It has an active hover effect too. The next section named items is where all grid items are listed. By default, the number is 6. You can add more by simply clicking the add item button here. Now click on the first item box, then click on the image fill to change the image item. Then you can edit the title text, then the date also. Finish it by changing the description texts. Then go to the next item box and change the image and title as well as the other things, same as the first one. Like that, carry on to change the details for the rest of the items. The complete grid looks pretty awesome, right? Now you can customize the social media links from the last section here. There's no limit to the number of social media platforms you can display on the grid. Just type the name, then paste the link address and select the icon. Next, we'll move to the Style tab to customize the grid appearance. First of all, there are many options here, so take your time making magic happen slowly. From the item section, let's change the background color to something light and appealing. For hover, we can select the white color. See how the grid switches between these elegant colors on hover. Then go to the title section and ungroup the margin field while putting a 10 value in the bottom margin. Use the typography to customize the title font as you like. Then go to the next text section and change the typography there. While at it, you can adjust the line height to place the text evenly. Now go to the date section, change the font style for the texts. Next, we go to the read more section to change the icon color first for both normal and hover mode. Then you can do the backgrounds. Just like that, you can easily create an amazing WordPress gallery with the Wisdom Gallery widget. Thanks for enjoying this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you next time.